Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues. Please subscribe to our channel. Got a call recently from a guy who said, I'm in the middle of a divorce, I got a court date coming up, I don't have a lawyer, what do I do? Well, what you do is you get a lawyer. You get one immediately. You're probably already in default, and your lawyer that now you're getting at the last moment is going to have to do some very quick arranging and some fancy footwork in order to keep you in the game, so to speak. But remember one thing, your ability to get a favorable result is dramatically enhanced by having a professional handle it. You're not going to be any better at lawyering than your lawyer would be at doing your job. I don't know what your job is, but whatever it is, lawyers are usually trained in one thing. They know the law. Much like people who, are in the IT fields or the medical arts, they know that, but they don't necessarily know lawyering. So my point is that if you're in a situation where you don't care what the outcome is, because you have no children and you have no assets or debts and you have no nothing, maybe you don't need a lawyer. But if a person has something to lose, if a person will wake up after the court hearing and say, oh my God, I should have gotten a lawyer, if you're in that situation, you better get one now. Because once the judge enters a judgment, it's not so simple to get a judge to set aside that judgment and let you start the process all over again. Having said that, the courts are under an obligation to try and make divorce settlements, fair and equitable. And so if there was a judgment entered and it gave all the assets to one person because you didn't bother to show up, it's possible that the court will set it aside and try and get a more fair evaluation. But remember, when you file an answer and you hire a lawyer to engage in the filing of pleadings before the court, you're not asking for any favors. You're just having your lawyer file the court rules. When, however, you don't do that, and now the default has been entered against you, and a judgment enters against you, and now you want something, now you're asking the court for favors. Now you're asking the court to take a case that's off the docket, open it up again, and in that sense, create a little bit more in the docket, another case that was already gone, push other things back. The court doesn't have to do this for you. So in that circumstance, you're asking for a real favor. Maybe the court will do it, maybe it won't. The better thing is get your lawyer involved immediately. If at this moment you don't have the money, borrow the money, use a credit card, somehow hire an experienced professional to help you. If you were sick, you'd hire a doctor. If you've got legal problems, hire a lawyer. But do it before it's too late. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.